society. The number of suicides is not only caused by the pressure of life, but also by the absurd. And that nonsense will be reported here. Cybersecurity detected a file in the form of a game with mysterious radiation in it. Then when this file is opened or operated, the radiation will damage brain cells and take over full control of the brain. And this makes the person unconsciously kill himself. And we call the attention of the public: if you find a file called sonic.x, do not open it occasionally, because it endangers your life. We as a party from cybersecurity would like to thank listeners. This information will be repeated every 10 minutes and there may be new information. Anyway, stay tuned.